Yes, hello guys, welcome in today's video. If you're new all around here, please like, subscribe and drop us a comment. So today we are going to be looking at plants. What are plants? Later on, so I'll find out in the video. So first thing first, I'll display you to the overview of what we are going to look at today. Like I told you earlier, we're looking at floor plans. So our first thing is, what is a plan? Like I told you, so I'll find out later in the video. So now overview today, as you can see on your screen, we're having the ground floor plan. As you can see, there's some information there. We're going to get into it. The next slide will be key elements of ground floor plans. We're going to find out what those elements are. And then we're going to look at the design principles. What is really required, the principles followed when setting out some of these plans, and they are going to give you some examples or samples of plans. So generally today, that's what our video is going to be talking about. Yes, so let's getting into it. Let's start with the ground floor plans in building construction. So we're going to find out what a floor plan is. And according to what we see on our screen, we say a ground floor plan is a scale drawing showing the layout of rooms, walls, doors, and circular spaces at the base level of a building. Generally, this one is like the major component needed before any construction or building is started to be constructed. So we're going to look at the foundation design and the spatial organization. So that's what we have for our first slide. Like I gave you the definition of a ground floor plan, a scale drawing showing the layouts of rooms, walls, doors, and circular spaces at the rest of the base level of a building. So that's what a floor plan is. Moving on to the next, we are going to be looking at the key elements of ground floor plans. Like these are elements that a floor plan should possess, or they must be present. In a plan, when you're observing a plan or when a plan is being presented to you, some of the things, the key elements you're supposed to be able to identify are the walls and the partitions. You can see the walls, the alignment of the walls. You can see the doors and windows. Yes, so though these elements, they have some symbols that are being used to represent them. I'll show you in a video to come. Just keep coming to check on my page. So we have doors and windows. We have rooms and the functions. These are like some fittings in the building. We have the circular paths, or these are like walkway paths. Then we have symbols and notations. For symbols and notations, I think this one's basically apply to advanced buildings or very big, like a company, a factory. Though in big homes, standard homes, symbols may be required. In case there are visitors around that may not understand. So when those symbols and notations are there, they can read them and they sort themselves out. So a scaled drawing showing the layout of rooms, walls, doors, and circular spaces at the base street of a building. That's what a ground floor is. A ground floor plan is just a simple stuff about it. So moving on to the next, we are going to be looking at the design principles in floor plans, like principles that must guide an architect, or an engineer when he's carrying out his work. Functionality, efficient use of space, like when these plans are being designed or before the building is being set up, the plan that is there must be functional, must suit a human standard of living around it. So next thing is accessibility, easy movement and enough space. Safety, exit and structure in case of any occurrence or a natural disaster. There could be a natural occurrence of fire outbreak, can make us like a landslide or anything that could cause danger to anyone's life. The buildings will be constructed in a way that one can easily access refuge. Yes, and then the next thing, I think that's it for design principles in ground floor plans. Yeah, so that's it. Moving on to the next slide. I would like to show you a simple samples of plans that we have. So as you can see on your screen, these are some of the samples of plans that we have. Yes, the sample of ground floor plans. As you can see on your screen, we have the house floor plan, we have the office floor plan, school. Yeah, these are just simple plans that I can show you for today's video, and to give us an idea about what ground floor plans are. Though there are more types of plans, though I can't talk about them in this video, but later on I'll talk about them. Just keep coming. If I've come this far to watch the video, I appreciate. Please don't forget to like, subscribe.